Now let us discuss about plastics. If you look around, you will find a number of things made up of plastic, such as buckets, mugs, glasses, toothbrushes, pipes, toys, bags, containers, etc. Even some taps, nuts, and bolts are made up of plastic. Plastics are synthetic polymers. The source of plastics is petroleum. Petroleum is crude oil which is found naturally in petroleum deposits. It is a mixture of a number of carbon compounds which are separated by fractional distillation of petroleum. These fractions contain compounds such as benzene, propene, etc., which are used to make synthetic polymers like plastics. In plastics, the arrangement of small units may be linear or cross-linked. In linear polymers, molecules are linked to each other in straight arrangement, whereas in cross-linked polymers, molecules are linked in such a way that all linear chains are also linked to each other. Plastics are of two types. First, thermoplastics and second, thermosetting plastics. Let's begin with first thermoplastics. Plastics that easily get deformed on heating and can be bent easily are called thermoplastics. They can be molded into different shapes again and again by repeated heating and cooling. Because the polymer chains are linked linearly. Due to this, on heating, the polymer chains can slide over one another. This makes them soft. Thermoplastics are less tough as compared to thermosetting plastics. Even they are less resistant to high temperature. They can be recycled. For example, polythene, PVC, polyesters, etc. Now second, thermosetting plastics. Plastics that once molded into a shape do not become soft on heating and cannot be molded again are called thermosetting plastics. They maintain their shape and size even at high temperatures. Because the polymer chains are cross-linked, they have very strong bonds between the chains. This makes it almost impossible for the chains to slide past each other. Therefore, these plastics are hard. Thermoplastics are more tough and rigid. Even they are more resistant to high temperatures. They cannot be recycled. For example, bakelite, melamine, formica.